High precision. Minimum measurements, 1 gram. Upgraded sensors offer instant readings and reliable measurements for items. Unique dual increments. Less than 1000 grams, 0.1 grams, 1000–5000 grams, 1g. Practical bowl. Flip up and down for usage and storage. Detachable design, free mix ingredients, easy storage in small size, be used as a space-saving protective cover and directly measure without the bowl. Various unit options. Weigh up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms across 5 units of measurement, Oz, lb, g, flat, Oz, and ml, in addition to switching between milk and water density. Clear results. The 2.4 by 1.1 in 6.2 by 2.8 cm large backlit display offers increased visibility, letting you read your results more easily. Multifunction. Satisfy all your measuring needs from large meat, beef, pet, cat, dog food, hair color to small coffee, mail, postage, letter, jewelry, seed, drug, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Amazingly accurate for the price. I borrowed two 50-gram calibration weights from my friend's powder charger he uses for reloading. I put one weight in and it read 50.0. I put the second one in and it read 100.0 grams. I took one out and it read 50.0. I hit the tare button to zero out the scale with one weight in it, and then put the second weight in, and it read 50.0 just like it should. The plastic tray is perfect and it has a large capacity for its size. Plus it looks great. When using the tray, just zero out its weight with the tare button.